In the small village of Gleamridge, nestled on the outskirts of a mystical forest, there lived a curious young girl named Mary. Known for her adventurous spirit, Mary often explored the woods surrounding the village, seeking hidden wonders and magical secrets. One day, during her explorations, Mary stumbled upon a secret glade bathed in a soft, ethereal glow. Intrigued by the radiant light that beckoned her, she cautiously stepped into the clearing and found herself surrounded by a mesmerizing dance of fireflies. Twinkling like tiny stars, they moved in harmony, casting a spell of enchantment over the secluded glade. At the heart of this radiant spectacle was Benny, a mischievous yet friendly firefly, whose luminescence outshone the rest. Benny, with a glint of curiosity in his eyes, approached Mary, and in that moment, an unspoken bond formed between them. The fireflies, sensing Mary's pure heart, welcomed her into their magical world. As the night fell, Mary joined the dance alongside Benny, twirling and swirling with the radiant fireflies. To her amazement, the fireflies gifted her the ability to communicate with them, a language of soft glows and gentle hums that echoed through the glade. Mary and Benny became inseparable, their nightly dances illuminating the woods with a kaleidoscope of colors and filling the air with joyous laughter. Word of this mystical friendship spread like wildfire throughout Gleamridge. Villagers, drawn by the allure of the enchanting dance, began to gather at the secret glade each night. Mary and Benny's magical performances turned into a symbol of unity and shared wonder, transcending generations. As the years passed, Mary and Benny's dance became an integral part of village life. Gleamridge transformed into a community where the magic of the fireflies inspired a deep sense of togetherness. The radiant glow of the fireflies became a beacon of hope and joy, and the village embraced the enchantment that Mary had brought to their lives. Mary, now grown but forever young at heart, continued to dance with Benny and the fireflies. The glade, once a hidden secret, had become a cherished sanctuary of magic and friendship. And so, the tale of Mary and Benny's dancing fireflies lived on, weaving a legacy of unity, joy, and the enduring enchantment that bound the village of Gleamridge together for generations to come. Please don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel.